Hi, I'm Dr. M. Jokosik, Andrologist from Caroline John Hospital, Nagercoil. Today, we are going to discuss about the right microsurgical varicocele ligation, which we had just finished today. So, what was the history of this patient? This patient came to us with history of azoospermia, which was recently diagnosed. He was ejaculating his sperms 1 year back, and 6 months back, his sperms start to decline, and it has reached to a level of azoospermia. So, what we found out in the scrotal Doppler is he had right grade 3 varicocele, and his hormonal evaluation suggested of Leydig cell dysfunction, and his Sertoli cell function was normal. So, what we planned for him is right microsurgical varicocele ligation along with growth factor injection. So, in these kinds of condition, that means the recently diagnosed azoospermia will have very good results with this varicocele correction along with growth factors. So, what we can expect at the end result of this surgery is the patient will start to ejaculate sperms in his semen, might be in a matter of 45 days to 2 months. So, it depends upon the improvement in the semen parameters. We can plan for the best method for conception for him. Thank you. ointment தான்.
கரெக்டாக ஒரு 11 11:30 வரும் மேக்ஸிமம் 11:30